Hi everyone, welcome back to Jobkar. I'm Shabana, and today we will discuss about our job opportunity. And this job opportunity is from Kantar. But before moving further with the video, I would like to request you to subscribe to Jobkar for more job updates in future, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss any update from Jobkar. And for you can also like the video and share it with your friends and family. So with that note, let's quickly move further with the video. So this is a hiring from Kantar, and this is about the company. So Kantar is the world's leading data insight and consulting company, and Kantar's analytics practice creates leading edge offers focused on brand and marketing ROI and brand strategy and innovation, content analytics, data strategy and engineering, and customer analytics in a way that is unmatched by our competitors, and the coverages of unique human understanding and business expertise coupled with innovative data and technology solutions allows them to better predict consumer behavior, providing consumer the confidence to make bold and complex decisions and optimize prioritize for growth. So basically, Kantar is a company which is working on data, and it is also a consulting company. Okay, so basically it provide consultancy services and services for related to data. अगर आपको और भी जानना है कंपनी के बारे में तो आप इस लिंक पर जा सकते हैं, जो कि है www.kantar.com, और वहाँ पर जाकर कंपनी के बारे में और जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन है वो कलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. नाउ come to the job description. So they are hiring for software engineer. So basically job title is software engineer, and this is a full-time job, and work location will be Bangalore, and your CTC will be 5 LPA. Okay, so as a fresher they are providing a good CTC which is 5 LPA, so you should go for it if you are eligible. Okay, now eligibility criteria, if I talk about, so the degrees which are eligible are BE, BTech and MCA. So only BE, BTech and MCA can apply for this job. They have not mentioned anything about the branch. So all the branches or all the specialization from BE, BTech and MCA are eligible, so do apply. Now year of passing should be 2021 and 2022 pass out. So basically, 2021 and 2022 pass outs from BE, BTech and MCA are eligible from all the branches. So if you are one of the eligible, then apply. Now academic percentage should be 60% and above. So आपका जो 10th 12th और ग्रेजुएशन का परसेंटेज है वो अबव 60% होना चाहिए. एंड प्रिफर्ड कैंडिडेट्स दोज हु कंप्लीटेड कोर्सेज इन जावा डॉट नेट एंड टेस्टिंग. सो अगर आपने कोई कोर्स कंप्लीट करा हुआ है जावा या फिर डॉट नेट या फिर टेस्टिंग में, सो यू विल बी प्रिफर्ड. अगर आपने कोई कोर्स नहीं भी करा हुआ है देन ऑल्सो यू कैन अप्लाई. Okay, but this will be a add-on if you have done any courses. बट अगर आपने कोर्सेज नहीं करे हुए हैं फिर भी आपको नॉलेज है जावा डॉट नेट या फिर टेस्टिंग का, देन ऑल्सो इट विल बी अ गुड पॉइंट. ओके, नाउ स्किल रिक्वायर्ड और पर्सनैलिटी थ्रेट्स आर अप्लाई डिजाइन पैटर्न्स एंड architectural recommendations from lead engineer or architect, and understand detailed design and contribute to design element at a module level, and apply best practices in software development and ready to adopt new technology propose new technologies. And candidates should be well versed in at least one programming languages, preferably C, C++, Java or .NET. Okay, so if you know Java, .NET, C, C++, then this will be a really good point for you. And good understanding of data structures and RDBMS and effective communication skills. So all the requirements are basic. So you आपको आइडिया होना चाहिए अबाउट डिज़ाइन पैटर्न्स एंड आर्किटेक्ट से रिलेटेड. एंड इफ़ यू नो जावा, सी प्लस प्लस, जावा और डॉट नेट, इनमें से कोई भी अगर आपको एक लैंग्वेज आती है तो दिस विल बी अ गुड पॉइंट फॉर यू, गुड एड ऑन पॉइंट. एंड गुड कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स एंड गुड अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ डेटा स्ट्रक्चर्स, बस यही रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं. for this role. Now selection process will be online test includes MCQ and comprehension test followed by technical discussion and HR discussion. So basically आपका सबसे पहले ऑनलाइन टेस्ट होगा जिसमें MCQs होंगे एंड comprehension. So basically they have not written clearly that what they will ask, but they will ask English for sure. And yeah, aptitude and reasoning will also be there. I'm not sure if there will be any programming or not, but the written test which generally takes place for any off-campus hiring or any placement that will take place for you. So they will have your online test, and test will be from your comfort of your home. You don't need to go anywhere to the center. आप ऑनलाइन दे सकते हैं टेस्ट को. एंड देन इफ़ यू क्लियर द टेस्ट तो आपका एक टेक्निकल डिस्कशन होगा. टेक्निकल डिस्कशन बेसिकली मीन्स टेक्निकल इंटरव्यू. अगर आपने टेक्निकल इंटरव्यू को क्लियर कर लिया देन यू विल हैव HR डिस्कशंस एंड आफ्टर दैट you will get offer letter. Selection process, for example, aptitude test, technical interview and HR interview. Okay, so first in the online test they will ask aptitude, reasoning and English. Then technical interview, they have written in here only aptitude test. Okay, so they will only ask aptitude, reasoning and English. Be prepared for that. Then technical interview, then HR interview. Okay, mode of selection will be online and tentative dates for every round in the selection process is 1 day. Okay, so apply as soon as possible. And topic or skills or assessment. So skills to be covered: data structure, database, object oriented programming language, section 5 coding, reading comprehension, logical reasoning, quantitative aptitude and data interpretation. So they have given now the about the assessment. So all these topics will be covered. So apart from logical reasoning, aptitude and English, you should prepare with data structure, databases, object oriented programming and section 5 coding and also data interpretation. So data interpretation is the part of aptitude, but you should prepare with all these things. They will be asking MCQs on these topics. Okay, now difficulty level of assessment will be medium and maximum time to be allotted. If any recommendation and other suggestion, then maximum time to be allotted is 1 hour 45 minutes. And prefer programming language if coding is included. So coding is not included, that's why they have written no. And questions of assessment, own question to be provided by my anatomy own questions. Okay, so the question will be from them only. Okay, there will be only MCQs assessment. Okay, and topic they have given. So prepare as soon as possible and apply as soon as possible, and after that start preparing, because they are providing a good package for, if I talk about as a fresher, so the package that is 5 LPA is very very good. So do apply. And to apply for this job I will provide this link in the description box. You need to go here and first of all you need to verify your email. Here click on the verify after writing your email. Now then here you need to give your name, contact number, your location, state, which state you belong to, and your post graduation college or institution. If you have done post graduation, that is MCA, and post graduation year. If you have not done post graduation, then you can write any. Okay, now post graduation percentage, then graduation and graduation details, all the 10-12 details, and are you willing to relocate to Bangalore, because this is work from office, so you need to relocate to Bangalore if you get selected. So you need to select yes here, and then are you ready to join immediately if you get selected. So they might want immediate joiners, so you need to click yes here also. Then click on this checkbox and submit your application form. And after submission, for further process they will coordinate to you through your registered email ID. So keep checking on that. Okay, so this is all for today's video guys. If you like the video, then you need to hit the like button and subscribe to Jobker for more updates in future. And also share it with your friends who all are looking for the jobs, and who all are eligible. Your subscriptions and your like means a lot to us. It is a support to us, so please keep supporting, and I'll be coming back with more such kind of videos. Till then, take care and bye bye.